She looked up from a tall glass of something I could tell she was needing a friend. Her teardrops were making rings in her whiskey. She cried out, "Where do I begin?" We laughed and talked, sat for hours, never even looked at the clock. She gave me a hug, said, "I can thank you enough. This really helped me out a lot." Then she walked off. I let her get just barely out of sight before saying, "I don't want you to leave. I know we just met, but when you left, you leaving made it hard to breathe." I said, "There's something about you that I can't explain. There's something that I'm feeling tonight. This could be a sign, and if I'm right, this is what love looks like." And now she's sitting shotgun with the windows rolled down, singing to the radio. She's got her pink toenails dancing on the dashboard, going everywhere I go. She's got one arm around me, smiling so pretty as she holds on tight. She's beautiful, and we both know this is what love looks like. 5 years later, we're still going strong. Got our second little one on the way. Motherhood never looked so good. She's the best mama I've ever seen. And we're both taking turns heating up bottles in the wee hours